cheap logbook loans. In today's market, customers have several choices in terms of loans. There are several industrial high street lenders like banks, as well as lots of opposition from new gamers within the business, which are usually web-based. They are able to frequently provide some very good prices compared to normal banks. Cheap logbook loans provide credit to be obtained by a way for people with a poor credit rating, but there will also be a number of other advantages. Even though payday loans do exactly the same point, the customer is often limited by them to a particular amount of cash. Because they are just truly created to tide you over till the next payday in most cases, this sum is fairly reduced. Cheap logbook loans can provide a bigger amount to you of money generally. This runs from $500 to $50,000 based on the real value of the car. Additionally, the APR may be lower. Why? Because the lending company has something to guarantee the mortgage against you could become less of danger. With unsecured lending, like payday loans, the lender, a huge risk is taken by the lender have struggled to repay the mortgage. Nothing to obtain should you. Nevertheless, for those who have a bad credit score, then several choices won't be available to you. You might frequently be denied any significant quantity of credit if you possess a history of insolvency, not paying debts, or of courtroom motion against you due to low repayment of funds. Yet another reason individuals select logbook loans is the fact that they're an any-purpose loan. The business may perhaps not ask about everything you use the cash. Their pursuits are that you can manage the payments and that you maintain your car kept. What exactly do people use them for? Well, usually clients rely on them for anything from home enhancements to creating an essential mortgage payment to actually setting up a new business. Another advantage of logbook loans is you may retain your automobile for the period of the mortgage. The car stays your own and push, which means you're still able to attend work or run errands. This can be a tremendous edge to many individuals who may reside in the state and depend on their car on a regular basis. Fast access is also provided by logbook loans to your funds. In some instances this can be as a couple of days as fast, and this makes them distinct from a mortgage. Usually, bank loans may take a couple of days or longer to appear and obvious in your bill. Logbook loans are perfect for individuals who might have an emergency bill to spend immediately or just want a loan immediately. Because you will find no credit checks, and the reason why a lot of people select inexpensive logbook loans is, this makes them dramatically diverse from bank loans. A lender will generally just take a peer at your credit score and provide a loan to you depending on just how much of a threat you are. A logbook loans operates in a different approach, and consequently you will find no credit checks. If you need fast cash, then you could receive from £500 to £50,000 with a logbook loan and drive your car away. Apply